Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we are going to be doing some savings challenges for our mini Mondays. So I am so happy and excited to be back filming, y'all. This is my first video filming after my vacation to France and Florida, so it feels a little weird, but here we are. I'm gonna start off with some Happy Meal. This is from Beauty Budgeting. So we have some cute little stickers. Look at this cute little bag that they're in. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Oh, these are beautiful. I love this little bouquet of flowers. Okay, so some cute stickers, and we have some savings challenges here, it looks like. This one. This cute little cats in a flower garden. Oh my gosh, look at this panda with these duckies. Thank you so much for sending this Happy Mail. I love getting Happy Mail. It's so fun. Oh my gosh, look at that Hello Kitty. What cute challenges. All right, we have some savings for June. That's cute. Cute purse for a cute outfit. Must. Absolute must. Look at that cute clutch. Ooh, and a scratch off challenge. Ah, thank you so much. I love scratch off challenges. I'm gonna add this to my scratch off collection, and these will go probably for my mini Mondays. Thank you so much for this Happy Mail. That is so exciting. All right, guys, so we have challenges for mini Mondays. We have our binder here. I have some 1s and some 5s for a total of $40. I'm gonna just mix in these 5s. I am getting caught up today on everything, but I did want to film this video to hopefully get it posted today. And let me use this one actually. And so if you are new to my channel, on Mondays we save for our sinking funds using some fun challenges. So we have 6 different envelopes here. I'm going to roll a 6-sided die, and that determines how many bills each challenge gets. All right, so challenge number 1 is getting 1 bill. So this morning, Aria and I were working on, mostly me, but Aria helped me a little bit with like stickers and stuff for getting my Ko-fi membership mailings sent out, because those are a little behind this month. I'm sorry. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our first spicy 5. So I normally like to send everything out by the 20th at the very latest, so that y'all have them for the next month. But I was just getting back 2, 3, 4 yesterday from a trip to Popsicles, Florida to visit my aunt. And right before that, I was in France visiting my sister. So I did try to get most of the things made before I left. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I had most of the things made before I left. And so when I got back, I had to make like 1 challenge last night. And then I guess the last one is just going to go to this one. So I made 1 last challenge last night and cut everything, got everything laminated and cut, and the stickers put on for the scratch off challenges. And this morning, I stayed up till like 2 a.m. last night doing all that. And then this morning I just had to get the shipping labels ready. And actually, you know, I think, anyways, let me get started with this. And I have so much to catch up on with you guys. Okay, so this first challenge is by Anna Banana Budgets. We are saving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's color in one of these sunshines. Each sun is $3. So I have used Shippo in the past to ship out my Ko-fi memberships, but I kind of changed things up this time because I feel like it's cheaper to just put stamps on there. So I calculated it, and it is in fact cheaper to put stamps. So I had to kind of reorganize and create shipping labels, like address labels with all the addresses and my return address. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Okay. So I did all that. I'm going to go to the post office and get stamps today and then mail them out hopefully today. All right, so in this challenge so far we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so I hope that y'all are having a good day. I have missed interacting with you guys. I just went through today and tried to at least heart everybody's comments that they've left over the past couple weeks. If not like respond to them. I didn't respond to all of them just because there were a lot of them. So if I seemed a little bit less, is less of a response than what you normally get, that's why I was just trying to kind of catch up. So I apologize if I kept it short or brief, but I did want to at least heart everyone and let you know that I saw your comment and I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and commenting even while I was away. I appreciate y'all so much. All right, so in this challenge is by Bookish Mama Budgets. This was a little freebie that she sent me, and this is available for you to purchase in her Etsy store. It's so cute. And then we have $5, $6, $7, $8 to save today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have $1 extra that we get to put over here to the side. And let's see how much this it should save us 15. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. That's exciting. We have 1 challenge finished today. All right. So yes, so my Ko-fi memberships are going out soon. So thank you for your patience. If you have been expecting them, they are coming. All right, this new challenge is by the Mrs. Champion. Life is cool at the pool. Aria and I spent so much time at the pool this past week with my aunt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11. Wow, that got a lot. Okay. So my aunt has a condo down in Pensacola, and we went to visit her there. So we went to the beach, but she also has a pool. And so we went to the pool a lot as well. And it was so warm. The water felt honestly like bath water, which was so nice. All right, then we have this ice cream challenge by CBA Mom Saves. Each cone is, well, these ones are $2, and then we have a couple 3 ones. So we have $1, $2, $3, $4 today. So let's do 2 and 4. Oh, there's a little fruit fly flying around. That is one of the downsides about summertime is like, I feel like it's hard to keep the fruit flies away. Okay. So yes, so this past 2 weeks I was on vacation. I'm back. I need to open my Etsy store today again, but I was trying to get my Ko-fi memberships done before that. So I'll post some pictures on here from my trip to France to see my sister. She is in Marseille, France. So I was there for a week, and I'll post some pictures from our beach trip down in Pensacola. So this next challenge is Reynolds Budget, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. So let's see, each popsicle, we're gonna make each popsicle 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and we'll make each little box 1. So there's that. This is so cute. All right, challenge number 6 is by Let It Be Budgets. And we have this cute little cat sunbathing. We got $2 here. So I'm just gonna add this third one in here because I don't think we're close to finishing any other challenge. We're gonna make each sun $1. And of course we have to get a nice yellow for the suns here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, awesome. So that is our mini Mondays. We finished one challenge today. These are all going towards our sinking funds savings for next month. All right, and so this one is going into our finished challenges bag. Yay. I'm excited to see what we managed to save this month. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all tomorrow for Tiny Tuesdays. Bye.